clear.
Certainly have some good slides. Just watch this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 150. Very long 6 left and front maybe. Into 6 crest, keep left and long 6 right, opens. 170. Crest, tightens the long 4. 30. 4 left minus, tightens long. 75 right plus, over jump maybe. Into 6 crest, into 5 right. Straight 200. 6 right, opens long. Into crest and 4 left minus, tightens. And opens, gravel. And 6 right minus, 100. 3 right over crest and opens, don't cut. 70. Right tightens the 3 plus over crest. Into 5 left over crest, 30. 6 right, 70. Left tightens the 6 minus, 50. 6 right, 100. 5 right plus tightens and narrows into 5 left minus. And 6 left and right tightens the 3 plus. And 2 left plus, opens. Into 6 right. And long 4 left minus, opens. Into 6 right, 70. 6 right, 70. 6 crest, 100. 4 left plus line, gravel. 100. 6 right into very long, 6 right line, and tightens. 100. Long 4 right plus. 30, 6 right minus. 30, 6 left line. 100, 6 left into long 4 right plus. Into 6 left, opens long. And right into keep right, into turn 2 left minus, narrows, gravel. 30, turn 2 right plus. 70, 6 right, 70. 3 left plus, and opens. 100, 6 left, 50. 6 right, and long 6 right, tightens the minus. Into 6 right, keep out and tightens the 4 minus. 150. 4 left plus. And 6 left, opens 50. Long 6 left. And 6 left, and long 6 left. 100. 4 right minus, opens. 100, turn 2 right plus, don't cut. 150. 6 left, 150. 6 crest, 50, keep out, and tightens the 4 minus. And 6 right into long 6 right. Keep out and tightens the 4 minus over crest. Opens. 200. bump maybe, and 6 left minus, 70, crescent care, 5 left, 30, long 6 right line, and opens over crest, 200, 6 right over crest, 100 over finish, 6 right into long left, tightens to 5, opens, okay.